Hey everyone, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and I'm here today with the Roland BN-20. So what this machine is a print and cut system. That means that it prints your graphic and then it cuts around it. So the best part about this machine though is that it has tons of different media. These rolled medias go in the back of the machine, and basically that's what allows this machine to be so versatile. You can make stickers, you can make vinyl for t-shirts, you can do car decals, and a lot more. So what we did is we went ahead on ColmanandCompany.com and we got a bunch of different Roland medias that we have there. We got some that are more of our sticker type materials. So we printed the ColDesi logo on them, and we just wanted to show you how they work and what the best applications for them are. So first we have the Roland Solvent Glossy Paper with adhesive. Now this is your more traditional sticker-like paper. So these stickers are great for laptops, for cell phones, even notebooks, stuff like that. Now these stickers are not the type that you would want to take on and off. So they're something that you want to put them there and leave them there. They're also not water resistant. So you don't want them to be on cars or anywhere where the weather might affect them. A great selling idea for stickers like these are company logos, just like this, for laptops, and this is great for branding purposes. Next, we're using the Roland Wall Flare removable vinyl. So this is ideal for interior graphic applications. It can easily be taken down and it won't leave any residue on the wall. It must be applied to dried surfaces, and like I said earlier, it is ideal for interior walls. So it's not the best to use outdoors. It isn't water resistant. Now, some good selling ideas for this material is big company logos for business walls, but also photos and pieces of art that's just good for decoration purposes. The next material that we're using is the Roland White Static Cling. So this is a self-clinging material. It doesn't require any adhesive. So it's great for seasonal designs or sales for business windows because those change. So it can be easily removed, it's not going to leave any residue behind, and it's not permanent. The best surface to apply these to is glass or polished surfaces like windows. Now, a great business opportunity for decals like these are places like convenience stores that want to advertise short-term sales. Now remember, these are just a few of the media options that are available for the Roland BN-20. On Colman and Company, we also have banner film, we have vinyl that's for t-shirts, and we also have clear permanent adhesive that's great for like car decals and stuff that's going to be outdoors. So if you want to learn more about the Roland BN-20 or find any of the media for it, go ahead and visit ColmanandCompany.com, and you can even live chat with one of our pros that can help you out.